Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 7th English grammar 6th chapter, and that is the infinitive. Infinitive means the root or the base form of a verb, like be is the base form of is, am, are, was, were and being. Do is the base form of does, did, done, doing. Have is the base form of has, had, having. Write is the base form of writes, wrote, written and writing. Thus be, do, have and write are infinitive. There are two kinds of infinitive. First, bare infinitive. The root form of verb without to is called the bare infinitive. To infinitive, the root form of the verb is to before it is called the to infinitive. Now, here is the exercise. Exercise 6.1. Complete each sentence using an infinitive plus other necessary word. Each sentence will take an infinitive without to. Can you tell why? This is because in this exercise we used bare infinitive. In bare infinitive, the root form of verb without to. First one is I heard him, and the answer is abuse my brother. Second, you dare not touch my things. Third, they saw her leave the house. Fourth, we had better talk to the teacher. Fifth, anybody might come in the night. Sixth, boy should not tease little girl. Seventh, the teacher lets play in the park. My dear student, the rest of the question you have to do yourself in your book. Exercise 6.2. Complete each sentence using an infinitive plus other necessary word. Each sentence will take a to infinitive. Can you tell why? This is because in this exercise we use the to infinitive. In to infinitive, the root form of verb with to before it is called the to infinitive. First one is she forget to bring her purse. We decide to inform his parents. Third, I came here to meet my brother. Fourth, he promised to help me. Fifth, they would like to stay here. Sixth, they went to Delhi to see the Red Fort. 7. We did not go to the river to have a picnic. 8. He begged the policeman to let him go. 9. The officer ordered the clerk to type the letter. 10th, my father advised my brother to work hard. My dear student, do this question in your book. Now, question number 2 of this exercise. Rewrite using an infinitive with or without to. First, let him dash now. In the clue, we have a verb go, and the answer is let him go now. Second, he was too tired dash, and the answer is to walk. Third, the lesson was easy dash, and the answer is to learn. Fourth, he made me dash his shoes, and the answer is polish. Fifth, they stopped dash some rest, and the answer is to have. Sixth, dash innocent animals is a sign, and the answer is to kill. Seventh, Mohan wants dash in the river, and the answer is to swim. Eighth, I have come dash the principal, and the answer is to see. Ninth, we saw him dash at the station, and the answer is arrive. 10. How dare you dash my drawer, and the answer is open. 11. They heard her dash a sweet song, and the answer is sings. 12. He is saving money dash a scooter, and the answer is to buy. 13. Would you like dash dinner with us, and the answer is to have. 14. My brother Ames was dash the first prize, and the correct answer is to win. My dear student, do these questions in your book. Question number 3. Rewrite each sentence correctly. First one is let him to sit here. Let him sit here. Second, we made her to sing. We made her sing. Third, plant more trees is our duty. To plant more trees is our duty. Fourth, it is good to take exercise daily. It is good to take exercise daily. Fifth, she did nothing but to laugh. She did nothing but laugh. Sixth, I saw him to climb up a tree. I saw him climb up a tree. Seventh, you ought finish your homework. You ought to finish your homework. My dear student, to the infinitive, we used ought and have to express some obligation or duty. Next one is, you had better stop that noise. You had better stop that noise. Ninth, I begged him give me some money. I begged him to give me some money. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Now, exercise 6.3. Join each pair of sentence using a to infinitive. Combining sentence by using a to infinitive. The word to is an adverb. It means more than what is good or proper. It is used with an adjective of adverb. When we use a to infinitive with to plus adjective adverb, it has negative meaning. Thus, we can join two such sentences by using a to infinitive. First one is, this shirt is very wet, I cannot wear it. This shirt is too wet to wear. Second, he is very proud, he won't ask for help. He is too proud to ask for help. Third, he is very honest, he won't accept a bribe. He is too honest to accept a bribe. Fourth, she was very busy, she had no time to play. She was too busy to have any time to play. Fifth, he is very cruel, he won't have any pity for her. He is too cruel to have any pity for her. Sixth, the old man is very weak, he cannot walk even. The old man is too weak to walk even. Seventh, we were very hungry, we couldn't wait any longer. We were too hungry to wait any longer. 8. The problem was very difficult, no one could solve it. The problem was too difficult to solve. I reached the station very late, I couldn't catch the train. I reached the station too late to catch the train. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Now, exercise 6.4. Combine each pair of sentence by using a to infinitive. First, he has no money, he can't buy this car. He has no money to buy this car. Second, I am fully prepared for it, I will take the test, and the answer is I am fully prepared to take the test. Third, this sport is dangerous, girls should not play it. This sport is dangerous for girls to play. Fourth, they use kerosene, they cook their food with it. They use kerosene to cook their food. Fifth, my brother is unwilling, he will not go to England. My brother is unwilling to go to England. 6. It is your scar duty, you must serve your parent. It is your scar duty to serve your parents. 7. She is very eager, she wants to become a film star. She is very eager to become a film star. 8. We are disappointed, we learned that he had failed. We were disappointed to learn that he had failed. 9. You are very fortunate, you have won the first prize. You are very fortunate to win the first prize. 10. We are now ready, we will receive the marriage party. We are now ready to receive the marriage party. And the rest of question you have to do yourself. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. I hope you all learned this chapter very well. Thank you.